How to cancel Emirates flight ticket. Need to cancel your Emirates flight whether your plans have changed or you no longer need to travel. Emirates offers several ways to cancel your ticket and in some cases get a refund. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process on how you can cancel your Emirates flights, refund policies, and potential cancellation fees, and tips to avoid extra cost. Now the first step is we need to check the Emirates cancellation policy. Before canceling our flight, it's important to understand Emirates rules regarding cancellation. Now we have the flexible and refundable tickets. Some fares allow full refunds with no penalties. We also have the non-refundable tickets. You may get only taxes refunded or a travel voucher instead of cash. You have cancellation deadlines. Most tickets must be cancelled at least 24 hours before departure to be eligible for refund. If you don't cancel in time and don't show up for your flight, you may lose your entire ticket value. Now before we head over into our guide, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Right after, we can then navigate on how we can cancel our flights online. This is simply the easiest way to cancel your Emirates tickets is through the website itself. Now first things first, you want to head over to the Emirates page right here. And once inside, you can just click on the manage button. You also want to make sure that you have logged in your account on their website. From here, we can then click on the cancel your booking option. They also have another options here in order for you to choose your seat, manage your chauffeur drive, and more. In our case, we are going to click on the cancel your booking option. From there, we will then be taken to the article on how we can cancel our booking. Yes, you can simply cancel or make changes on your booking on the Emirates websites through the manage your booking. Now from there, you simply want to select the flight that you want to cancel. Choose the flight that you no longer need. Once again, you have to make sure that you are logged in into your correct account. From there, you then have to review cancellation fees and refund option. Emirates will show you any penalties or refundable amounts. From there, you then have to cancel or confirm the cancellation after submitting the request, and you'll also be able to receive a confirmation email. From there, you can simply go ahead and cancel your Emirates flights on the website itself. Once again, it's as easy as navigating through the Emirates website, making sure that you have logged in your account, and from here you can then go ahead and click on manage. Click on the manage your booking, and from here you will be able to do so. We can also go ahead and do this via Emirates customer support. If you prefer assistance from an Emirates representative, you can call customer service or visit an Emirates ticket office. First things first, you want to call Emirates customer support. You can find the official customer service number on the website right here and request for a flight change. You simply want to navigate through their official website, scroll all the way down, and you will be able to see the special assistance tab. In here, you will be able to basically select your assistance. Right after that, we can also go ahead and visit an Emirates office. If you book through a travel agent or need in-person help, you want to visit an Emirates ticketing counter at the airport. We can also do this via live chat or email. Now for some region, Emirates offers live chat support where you can request a flight modification. Now we can also go ahead and rebook our Emirates flights using Skyward Miles. First things first, you want to log in into your Emirates Skyward account, go to the manage booking, and inside, you then want to click on the modify flights option. Right after that, if necessary, you want to pay any fare differences with additional miles or cash, confirm your rebooking, and you'll receive the updated e-ticket via email. Now we can also rebook an Emirates flights through a travel agent. If you book your flight through a third-party travel agent, the rebooking process may be slightly different. Instead of modifying your booking directly with Emirates, you'll need to contact the travel agency where you purchased your ticket. First things first, you want to reach out through your travel agent. Call or email your agent and request for a flight change. You want to check for additional fees. Some travel agencies charge extra fees for modifying your booking. You want to verify Emirates policies if still applicable. Even if booked through a third party, Emirates fare rules will still govern any changes. And lastly, you want to confirm the new booking. Once the agent processes the change, you want to make sure to receive an updated itinerary and ticket confirmation. Now, rebooking due to flight cancellation or delays is another topic. If Emirates cancels or reschedules your flight, you may qualify for a free rebooking or refund. First things first, you have to check your email or Emirates account. Emirates will notify you about changes and provide free rescheduling options. You then want to call customer support. If you need a different date, you want to contact Emirates and request an alternative flight at no extra cost. Now some tips to simply avoid extra rebooking fees. You simply want to check your fare type. Flexible and premium fares often allow free changes, while economy tickets may have some restrictions. You also want to change your flight in advance. Last-minute changes can be more expensive than normal. You want to look for waivers. During special circumstances, weather, COVID-19 or etc., Emirates sometimes offers free waivers. And lastly, you can use Skyward Miles. If applicable, use miles to cover rebooking costs instead of cash. You may also rebook and cancel your Emirates flights using travel insurance. If you have purchased travel insurance, you may be eligible for a cost-free rebooking or canceling under specific conditions such as medical emergencies, missed connection, or trip interruptions. First, you have to check your insurance policy. Review your policy's coverage for flight changes and cancellation. You want to contact your insurance provider, request assistance, and explain the reason for your rebooking or canceling. You want to provide documentation. If needed, you want to submit proof of illness, delays, or other valid reasons for rescheduling or canceling. And lastly, you want to receive compensation or free rebooking canceling. If approved, your insurance provider may cover the cost of rebooking or canceling or provide a refund. Now, in conclusion, rebooking or canceling your Emirates flights is easier than you think. With multiple options like online modifications, customer support, travel agent assistance, and even travel insurance coverage to avoid unnecessary fees. You want to always check your ticket type, plan changes early, and you want to use Skyward Miles whenever possible. Whether you're changing your flight for convenience or due to an emergency, Emirates provides various rebooking methods or canceling methods to fit your needs. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and you can just follow us for similar content like this one. As always, thanks for watching.